Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, let's talk about Matic, Polygon Matic. Now, we spoke about meme coins and things like that. Matic is one of the strongest companies or organizations in the crypto world. Once they had around 600 people employed in India. They are the reasons why Ethereum is so successful. So in the initial stages, Matic made Ethereum solid because they have been struggling with the problem with the gas fee, and Matic tried to solve it. But in this season, many companies came in, Optimism, and many other companies came up with new concepts called optimistic rollup and things like that. Matic had a traditional but innovative. 2 years ago, when I went to consensus meeting in Austin, I met with the team. I sat on their presentations and I spoke to them, and I realized their technology at that time, called Seeker Rollup, was phenomenal. Today, what happened is new technologies came in, and Matic is seen as a little bit obsolete, right? But that is not the only reason why Matic is not pumping now. Meme coin stories are happening across AVAX and Solana, and these meme coins are making a big impact on the success story of Solana, right? Solana had some fundamental issues because whales were owning coins and all those things, and uh, their operating system was not that great. Issues there and here, right? But they overcame all those things, hopefully. But Matic is solid. Matic's marketing, right? How they are marketing the tokens and their Matic itself, I felt there could be some improvement. I saw some interviews recently. I saw interviews in Crypto Banter or somewhere, and they were not uh, good enough in projecting or highlighting Matic's, uh, technological excellence. Now, I understand. I like to talk a lot about technology. My videos. I deep dive into technology. I divide the technical aspects of it and talk about each one of them. In my this video, I'm not planning to do it, but there will be another video about the technicality of Matic. But one thing that I understand is marketing, right? So in marketing, even if your product does not have the best features, and if product compared to other products, if a product may have some shortfalls, still a good marketing guy can overcome it. The thing about Matic is superior to many other companies, the newborn companies, with respect to its foundation itself, the operating system itself, right? The ecosystem is so big now, 50,000 plus apps on Matic, right? The layer one is so solid, and they have side chains and many advanced concepts which are basically stabilized compared to these companies who are struggling to come up with the new stories and trying to sell their story. They have a good story to tell. That's why they're succeeding. Now, I feel Matic has to improve a lot on their marketing. They have to spend on marketing money a lot. Then other thing that I realized about Matic is enabling other crypto companies to excel as integration partners, right? Companies like Near Platform, they all are integrated to Matic, right? Their ID, DIT, decentralized ID, right? All those things are being used by companies. So Matic is being a service provider now, right? That's also another reason why Matic is not pumping, because they're trying to empower other products and probably promote those products. Maybe there is a strategy involved. I don't know. But I am a bit disappointed with the Matic story. I think Matic at 9.95 cents today is totally unacceptable. See, when I invest in crypto, my approach used to be research a lot, That's why I call companies like Storj, Filecoin, all those companies, I call them, I actually talk to them, understand the company's technicality. I go to the GitHub and download the source code, I review the source code, whether are they genuine and how much work they're doing. So I look at all those aspects before I spend my personal money into a crypto, right? Still, I buy things like Shiba, and I make more money from those companies than the companies where I invest a lot. A typical example is Matic. I spent a lot of time understanding Matic and Dot and its infrastructure, its architecture, its framework, its everything about those companies. At the end, what happened is I ended up with a lot of Matic, and Matic is not growing and a bit disappointing. Now, this opens up an opportunity for you now because Matic is not grown up, right? All the pump happened in other coins, but Matic is not gone up. So Matic needs a push by somebody, a marketing push. The moment Matic gets that, Matic is going to pump. So you have a golden opportunity to enter into Matic today and hold. Now, let me warn you this. Two, three things about Matic. Matic, I do not know which narrative Matic is going to play because it's so big and it's everywhere, right? So it doesn't have a narrative, first of all, because it's so big and everywhere. It's like Ethereum, Ethereum. So Matic narrative and like, I do not know, first of all. But if at all it goes, it's going to be probably incremental, right? One beauty about Matic is you can afford to hold it even in the bear market. What it means is if you hold Matic in the bear market, because it has a company with infrastructure and a solid background, it will survive a bear market. But remember, if you can time something, you have to time to exit from this market at the peak of the bull market. And even if you're the most advanced crypto trader, you are not going to exit the crypto market at the peak. It's impossible. Nobody can do it. Maybe one person, maybe one or two people. But most of the people are going to be stuck here. And when you are stuck here, I ask you to do two things. When you are stuck in the next, when you go to the next bear market, I ask you to do two things. One, do not hold any meme coins at that time. That means you want to play all your meme coins today, from now to the mid of next year, or mid of this year, or probably end of this year. People are saying 15 months of bull market. I'm leaving half of it probably because I don't want to take much risk. So I'm going to assume in another 6 to 8 months it's a peak, right? Then I'm going to work towards that. So when you buy Matic at the peak of the bull market, it's okay, right? Because you don't want to buy meme coins at the peak of the bull market. When the bull market ends, you want to be ended up with coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic in your hand, right? Today, you don't want these coins. However, Matic is so low, you might want to buy some, right? I wouldn't hold Bitcoin at this time. I would hold probably coins like coins would that would pump like IMX or Celestia or Aptos, Render. There are many Helium. Those are the coins I would hold now, and with less Bitcoin. And I would probably put a little bit of Bitcoin in the perpetuals just to make it up, right? Not too much, a little bit, 3x, right? I want to play risk free. But I Matic is going to be interesting. Today, I am recommending to buy Matic because price is so low, so attractive. But as soon as Matic gets into a good rate, for example, if Matic becomes top 10 in coin market cap, you exit Matic before the bull market up, right? In the beginning of the bull market, exit Matic and get into something that will fly. Then towards the end of the bull market, you want to get back into Matic, right? When you exit, when the bull market exit and bear market comes in, you bet you will be inside it. How much percentage of your portfolio will be inside it is matters. That's the only thing changes for person to person. I will have presence in the market. You will have presence in the market. Everybody will have coins held up in the bear market. What type of coins? How much percentage? That's the only thing that you want to control. 50%, 40% of the coin can be in the bear market, but they better be in Matic or Ethereum, Bitcoin, or things which are solid, right? Now, let me share the screen. Wait. Okay, let's see some information. So let's see Polygon. Uh, CKEVM. What is CKEVM? What are private chains? We will talk about all these things in a technology presentation. I'm a techie guy. I'm an IT guy, software guy. So every software friend that I have, they are interested, keen to know a foundation of what is CKEVM? What does CK mean? Zero knowledge means how? So what is knowledge? Where is knowledge? And they have a lot of questions around it. And I am not going to discuss those things in this presentation. There'll be a lot of presentation. I will give details about what CK, what CK rollup, how is CK rollup different from optimistic rollup, and things like that. However, let me tell you something. Polygon has, you will hear this a lot. CK is better than, or optimistic rollup is better than CK, right? It's just don't worry too much about it. I don't give too much about it. It's like Microsoft and Google and Amazon competing on a space where one guy gives an upgrade to something, the other guy does not, and it's just time will take care of all those things. And who knows? Probably the optimistic rollup might proven to be having some problems eventually, right? Because they have not actually scaled up to the level of Matic. Matic is huge, humongous. But I know when we talk about Zk we'll talk about its cost structuring and how it will improve the cost compared to optimistic rollup and how that is cheaper or this is cheaper. All those details we'll discuss at that time. Understand 50,000 apps on the ecosystem of Polygon. Polygon has integration with all kind of networks today. That Polygon made Ethereum uh, a real operating system, right? Ethereum layer one had so much issues with the gas fee, and Polygon fixed all those things. So super solid fundamentals on Polygon, and any company that I look at, Polygon is the one from a fundamental standpoint. I'm so uh, not happy about the performance though, right? 0.93 cents. Oh my God, that's so attractive price. You could buy a lot, but don't buy a lot because Polygon might be a delayed growth player, right? You don't want delayed growth. Capital rotation is the key of the game in this bull run. Polygon is currently undervalued with respect to other tokens, other coins, right? I wouldn't say any token like Polygon or Solana or anything deserves to be 200 billion market cap or 100 billion market cap. Those are obscene, and people don't understand what dollar means. Does not have any fundamentals. But you go with the ride and make some money. Look at this. It doesn't look good. It was $3 before. It is 93 cents now, and it's slowly growing, which I don't like. And it can go to zero point 0.5. Not likely. This can go to probably 8 cents, 7.8. 78 cents. That's a best. That's what I feel, right? So you keep buying as much as possible. So there is a dip here. This is the worst case scenario I foresee. So, but no, I cannot predict anything. But you keep buying here and start selling when it goes up. It is 16 in the ranking. In my mind, Polygon has to be at least top 8 in my mind. That's where its place is. So whenever you see it's 16 until it becomes top 8, you buy. When it becomes top 8, sell it all. Okay, sell all Polygon you have. When it becomes number 8 in coin market cap. That's the time. That's a classic signal to sell Polygon and get into something else. And when it becomes 8, your mind is filled with optimism, hope, and you are thinking that this is going to be the number one. No. When it is 8, sell 50% of your coins. When it becomes 7, well, another 25%. When it goes up and again, sell everything and exit. And it will come back to 15, 16, 20, buy back. Okay. Now, this is a sweet intro, as I said, a lot of details to be discussed. Buy as much as you can today. Don't wait for the dips, and it will dip. It will dip at that time. If you can buy it too. But this is a good price. You can buy from any. I don't think Coinbase has it. Sorry, Robinhood has it. Robinhood has banned Matic recently, so you cannot buy it from Robinhood. These are the sell points I have. Right, sell at 3, sell at 5, sell at 10. But if you ever see Matic at number 6, number 7, number 8 range, you have to capital rotate. Sell them all. Move it to something like Solana or Avax, which will be probably 15 or 16 at that time. Sell it, switch to that. Not using Robinhood. Use some other place where they don't steal your commission, right? And disclaimer, it's not a financial advice. You read it thoroughly. And now, if you are tracked in this season in any coin, I want that to be Matic, one of this Matic, because it's gonna stay here. It's a foundational piece. Buy Matic, play safe, make all the money, subscribe. Thank you.